In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect GitHub to Visual Studio. Let's start by opening Visual Studio without a project. Head over to the Windows taskbar and click the Start button. Once the search opens, type Visual Studio into the search field so the application shows up in the results. In the Start search results, click on Visual Studio 2026 to launch the application. When the Visual Studio Start window appears, look toward the bottom right corner and click Continue without code. This will open the main Visual Studio environment without loading any specific project or solution. Next, we're going to open account settings so we can add a GitHub identity. Move your cursor to the upper right-hand corner of the Visual Studio window and click on Sign In. A menu will drop down asking which type of account you would like to add, so click on GitHub Account. From the Account Provider menu that appears, click GitHub once more to confirm your selection. At this point, Visual Studio will automatically redirect the sign-in process over to your default web browser. Now let's complete the browser authorization. In the browser window that opens up, wait patiently for GitHub to finish authorizing the account that is already signed in. This may take just a few seconds to process. Once it completes, take a look at the page and confirm that it displays the word Success and states clearly that the authorization was successful. This message lets you know that GitHub has approved the connection request. Finally, let's verify the connection back inside Visual Studio. In the Windows taskbar at the bottom of your screen, click the Visual Studio icon to bring the application back into focus and return to the Account Settings window. Once you're back in Account Settings, look under the All Accounts section. Confirm that the GitHub account is now listed there, and check that it has a blue active badge displayed next to it. That badge tells you the account is currently in use by the IDE. Once you've confirmed everything looks correct, move to the bottom right corner of the Account Settings window and click Close to dismiss the dialog. The GitHub account will now appear in Visual Studio's All Accounts list with the active badge shown. Visual Studio is now fully connected to that GitHub identity and can use it for GitHub-aware features and repository access going forward. Congratulations, you have successfully linked your accounts.